Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's me, Daniela. On this channel I do a bit of fashion, lifestyle and all things London related, and every now and then I just update you guys in regards to my hair loss journey. So if that's something you're into and you want to see a bit more of me, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button and just keep on watching. Guys, today I'll be doing a collective haul. This is slightly different from the norm. You guys know I'm always doing a Zara or an H&M haul, but I did pick up a few pieces recently, and it was also my birthday, so I did get a few things as well. So I'm like, why not share it with you guys? So hence we are doing a collective haul. I don't know where to start. Alright, let's just start with the accessories. So the first accessory I have for you guys is these stud earrings that I got from Vivenne Westwood. So this is what the packaging is looking like. Very simple box, and then it came in the little pouch. So it just has the very classic Vivenne Westwood logo on it. And if I'm being completely honest, initially these weren't the ones I was going for. I was going for the smaller studs. Smaller studs, smaller size crystals. But when I went inside Selfridges, I'm like, no. These seems to be doing way more. And they're just like super cute to me. I feel like something like this just easily elevates your look. I wore it the same night that I got it, and like it was just doing the dough. Like very simple, but at the same time it's making a statement. So on to the next accessory, and this one is a belt. So I did pick this one up from Fanels. So if you guys don't know, Fanels is a luxury designer store in the UK. It's very much similar to like Selfridges, but probably on a smaller scale. So yeah, I did pick up this Ralph Lauren reversible belt. So as you can see, it just comes with the Ralph Lauren logo as the buckle, and this one, it has the black and then the brown is on this side as well. So I did pick this one up in a large. I just wanted a good quality belt, and I was looking online, and then this one came up in the search results. So I'm like, oh, really cute, and it's good material. So this one is made from 100% cow leather, and I really like the gold hardware. So if you guys are interested, they do have this one in a few different shades as well, but you know, I'm a very simple girl. I like my black, I like my neutrals, I like my brown, like yeah. So this one will easily work into my wardrobe. They do have it in a smaller size, but for that money I'm like, no, just go for a regular size. You can always get like a mini belt from Primark, Zara or somewhere else. Okay, so let's move on to the next accessory, and that's this bag that I purchased from Selfridges last Saturday as well. So yeah, this one, if I'm being honest, I had my eyes on like 3 bags, and like for one of them I was like literally begging Ricky to like talk me out of it, and he's like, for like 2 days straight, he's like, oh Daniela, if you want it, just go ahead and treat yourself to it. Like, oh, you work your money, like buy what you want. I'm like, no Ricky, like do you think it's worth it? Like would you actually go and buy it? He's like, oh, if I want something I'm just going to buy it. I'm not going to like ask somebody about it. I'm like, oh no, but you need to understand, like, oh, it's X amount, like do you really think? And I'm like showing him over and over online, and he's like, oh, to be honest, I wouldn't buy it. Like it's small for the amount of money. I'm like, that's all I needed to like convince me not to like get it, because you know, like when you kind of like you want something but at the same time you're like, oh, that's a lot of money. I don't know, no, I don't know. I feel like because I grew up like not having certain things, I find it very, very hard treating myself to like things above a certain point price point. I don't know, probably I need to have a mind shift or something like that. But yeah, once he said that, I'm like, alright then, say no more. That's all I needed. But yeah, otherwise from this one, I was kind of looking at the pillow tabby as well, but then I was a bit hesitant because I'm like, yeah, it's super cute. I've like went and saw that bag last year as well when I got my work bag from Coach, but then I'm like, oh, It's cute, don't get me wrong, but is it more of a trendy item? I kind of feel like it's a trendy item and I don't want to like buy something and then like next year I'm outdated. Even though it's been around for like 1 year something now, but yeah, that's not enough time to say like, yeah, it's definitely here to stay. So I'm like, let's move on to my first love, the one I had my eyes on initially before I start wandering all over the place, and that's the Marc Jacobs camera crossbody camera bag. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It just comes in the Marc Jacobs dust bag, and I got this shade. So it's kind of like a sand grayish nudish color going on. I feel like that's three different colors I told you guys just now, but yeah, it has this shade at the front, then it has a more deeper brown at the bottom, and then at the top it has a light nude color. So yeah, super cute, and it just has the little gold hardware at the front, and then also the Marc Jacobs metallic gold strap. So yeah, super cute, absolutely love it. I was a bit hesitant about this shade, and like low-key I feel like I did ask for the slightly darker one because like there's two that I really wanted. I had my eyes on this one and then the darker shade, and I feel like I pointed out to the SA that I wanted the darker shade, but I got this one. But then at the same time I didn't realize until the day after Ricky was like, oh, but you changed your mind when you get the lighter shade. I'm like, no, I didn't get the lighter shade. It's like, yeah, go and look in the bag, it's the lighter shade. I feel like in that moment I was so caught up with Dunwick I didn't actually realize what I purchased. But yeah, regardless, I think I'm just going to stick with this one because in reality I kind of wanted this one. I was like in between both of them, so I don't know if I confused the lady or what, but yeah, I'm just going to stick with it because like it does work with like my color scheme and stuff that I'm always wearing, because I even like with this top it would easily go with it as well, the gold strap. So yeah, wouldn't be an issue. And as I said, like I was actually looking at this color scheme as well. So yeah, that's it for this one. If you guys want me to do like a YouTube short showing like what is able to fit inside, just let me know as well, because I wouldn't mind. Okay, so let's move on to shoes. And with this one, again, I have 3 items to show you guys. You guys might have seen this one in my like previous Zara and the H&M haul, because I did wear it in one of the try on cutout section. So it's just these heels, and it just comes with the padded detail at the strap. So yeah, loving this little feature here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's padded, and what got me was the square toes as well. So super cute, and the heel, it's not very high, so very comfortable. And guys, can you believe, like, I think initially is it gone off? This one was for £45, but I think it was like for £14 or £16. I think I paid £16, but that was including of delivery, because like I think they wanted you to, it was $14.99 for the shoe on sale. Yeah, I got these on sale from River Island. I don't know if I said that just now. So yeah, I think it was like $14.99 for the shoes, and then you had to pay £1 to collect it in store. Like I didn't really understand that, but yeah, I opted to collect it in store. And yeah, in total £16 for a nice pair of shoes, really good quality, very comfy inside as well, and as I pointed out earlier, really nice height. So yeah, very comfy to walk in. I haven't worn them outside, but as you guys would have seen like in the previous videos, I've worn them indoors doing the try-on section. I just wanted to like add a few more bits to my wardrobe that I'll be able to like wear with like different stuff. It's not anything trendy or anything like that. It's like classic pieces that I'll be able to wear months and years to come. So yeah, I think this is like a really good purchase, and for that price point as well, like you can't go wrong. So the next the next pair of heels I have is these that I got from ASOS, and it just come with the blocks heel, and it's more of a like velvet fabric. So yeah, super cute. But guys, the only issue is these aren't the most comfy. So despite whatever the reviews is saying on ASOS, don't listen to them. It's not comfortable. I feel like my issue is the strap. Despite like me like doing it to like the last hole on it, I just need to the last like hole, like it's still loose. It was just there, prom, like every step I made, you could have heard me coming, and like I just found that super annoying. Next thing is, a few moments after wearing it, like this bit here, the knot at the front, it started to like irritate my toes. So yeah, I don't know what the persons online were talking about, but no, this one is a complete flop. It's cute, don't get me wrong, super cute, and you guys know like this style of heel is very much in for like 2022, but completely disappointed. They did have it in gold as well, so I think like this one is very much a dupe to the Saint Laurent heels. I feel like, is it Saint Laurent? I think so. So yeah, I was trying to give the dupe look, give the like, you know, designer look, but it's uncomfortable. So if you guys had your eyes on this one from ASOS, avoid it. Avoid it. Next up, you would have seen me getting this one in like come shopping with me vlog that I did last week Saturday. I don't know if I'll upload this one before that one or this one, I don't know, but yeah, this is from Michael Kors and it's a trainers. So yeah, I did get this one, so let me just show you guys what it's looking like. So it's these like printed, you guys know the Michael Kors logo as well, so it just has it printed all over. And what I really love about these is the chunky heel and the shade. Guys, I'm obsessed with brown. Anything brown, give it to me. That is my color. So yeah, found these really cute. I must admit though, at first I was thinking like, oh, the logo at the front is a bit too much for me. Like, it's just saying hello, hi, look at me. But the more I looked at it and like when I tried it on as well, it just looked super cute, and like I just overlooked that bit. So yeah, really loving the look of it. I feel like this though, I would wear it as a statement piece, because I feel like the logo at the front, the gold, like it's very much giving statement. So I'd definitely wear something like very understated, like a simple top like this, jeans or trousers, or you know, like it's time cold now, so I'm literally saying autumn, winter from the other day, but like, is it autumn? Is it officially autumn? Because I feel like we're in autumn now. It's chilly. So yeah, this with a nice coat, a nice trench. Oh, I did get a trench coat from Zara. You can expect a Zara haul coming up soon. So yeah, a very understated outfit with a nice trench coat, and these, like, you're good to go. You look good. So yeah, loving these trainers. I feel like this is like my third set of trainers from Michael Kors. So after this one, I have to give them a break. Alright guys, I'm almost finished, so I'm now on to the last set of items that I have, and like these are clothing. So I did get this orange sweatshirt from North Face. I think this one I got this as a gift, so I think they purchased it at JD Sports. So yeah, got this as part of my birthday gift. So it's just a sweatshirt from the North Face, as you guys can see. I think this one was in a size large. At first the large was looking a bit small for me, but then once I tried it on, fit perfect. It's not snug or anything like that. It just has a slight looseness to it, and that's how I like to wear my stuff. So yeah, if you're around the same size like me and you're interested in this top, definitely like go for the large, or even like just stick to your regular sizing. Just stick to your regular sizing, guys. So yeah, what I love about this is just the little, what else, what would you call this? Because like at first I thought it was sequins, but it's not sequins. It just has a little bit of shimmer to it. Can you see it? So yeah, definitely loving this one and the color. Like, even though yeah, summer is done, you guys know the trend for this year is like everyone's transitioning their summer colors over into autumn. So this fit right in to that trend. So I can transition my bright orange sweatshirt into the autumn winter season. And next thing as well, this one, it feels so soft and so luxurious inside. So really happy that I was given this one. Onto my next item as well, and as I said, this section is for clothing. So it's another, well, that's a sweat top. So this is a tracksuit. It's a tracksuit, and this one is from Imperial Armani. And what I love about it, it's just a little detailing on the sleeve. So this one, it has a slight diamond T and the logos going down, but yeah, super cute. And it just has the gold hardware, and also got the bottom. Not much to say about the bottom. The bottom is very much simple. It just has the logo right there. Really happy I was given both of these, and I'm just happy with both of them in reality, because not every day your regular Adidas or your regular Nike. Sometimes it's good to switch things up and wear different brands as well, because I feel like when it comes to tracksuit, everyone's just looking like uniform in the same two brands. So yeah, that's everything I have to show you guys at this moment. So if you did enjoy, please comment down below what is your favorite item, and until next time guys, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye for now. Bye.